to the video. Today I'm here with Abby and
Micah.
It's kind of short. So there we go. Okay. And Abby ordered some fidgets, so we're gonna be opening them.
Yeah.
So we're
I
gonna
ordered
this one first.
puzzle ball, a snapper, a tangle, and sand.
No, the tangles aren't here yet though.
Yeah.
So.
So the tangle,
So you want to open it?
Okay, I'm in the camera. Hello.
Here. Look it. Let's see. Wait, here. I just close your eyes and pick one out.
Alright.
This looks like.
It doesn't look like a fidget. Well, let's open it.
Oh wait, no, this is not the fidget. Okay.
Okay.
But I think I know what did it.
Yeah.
Well, this white stuff is getting everywhere. My mom's gonna be mad.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll clean it up. Oh, I know it is.
Right.
I know it is. Yeah.
Alright. Drum roll, please. Well,
It's our sand banana.
okay, randomly there's this bouncy ball in there. Hold on a second.
You can't see me. Well, now you can.
Okay, Mikey, don't open it. Don't open it. A random ball is in there.
Huh?
Here we
Okay,
Okay,
here.
let's open it. Let's go.
Okay. Hold out.
Oh!
Want trash? Oh, can I split?
What?
I feel like this is supposed to be a gummy. What?
Yes, it's so cool.
Why is it so long?
Oh my
It's
god.
like stretchy.
Wait, hold on.
It feels so nice.
It smells kind of like, I don't know.
It smells like a lemon thing.
Oh, it smells like a
Oh,
lemon.
stretch it. Oh.
Can I play? Can I play?
Okay. Let's just open up the next one.
While you're opening up the next one, can I play with
I'll
you?
play the blue one.
Aw. What's this?
Okay.
That's not. That's
Pop.
Okay, randomly. Also, I don't know why this is in there, but let's open the next one.
Deformed banana.
It's a rotten banana, Alan. It's a rotten banana. You just opened it and you already broke it. Well, you didn't break it. Now
I
can
want
I
to see
play?
something alright.
I feel like this
Oh,
is...
yep.
The puzzle ball!
And the snapper.
Alright, so
I feel like this is supposed to be some sort of gummy.
there's one more thing in there.
But
It's
it's not-
just,
it's not
it's a calico thing.
Okay, you
Alright,
want to open the
first-
puzzle ball? Can I open the snapper?
Yeah.
Bro, do you want to open this?
Sure.
Oh my gosh!
You open it and I want to play with it.
I always want a puzzle ball.
Well, let's see how the snapper works.
Let me try
Um,
this out. Let me try the puzzle ball. I want to try a puzzle.
The snapper's not as good. I think you have to go like this.
Yeah, you can't go like this, but you can go like this.
What do you do for puzzle ball?
I've been wanting a puzzle
Oh,
ball.
I realized it. Oh, I realized on what you're supposed to do.
So go like this. Well, the snapper is not really a win.
Yeah. But the sand-filled banana is amazing. We're still trying to figure out the puzzle ball.
Wait, what are you supposed to do for puzzle
Just
ball?
go like this. Watch. Push. Kind of mix it up, and then you gotta solve it again.
Wait, how do you mix it? Oh, I mean, like this? You can mix it.
Woo! I say it's a 10 out of 10 for this sand-filled banana. Micah, don't drop
Mix
it.
it. I don't know how
No,
to
there's
mix.
actually some like yellow type stuff, foamish.
How do you mix it?
No.
All right, so I'm really happy with the fidgets. I'm kind of sad that the tangles are not them.
But we can add that into. I'll show you that in the video.
Yep.
So yeah. Now let's see the tangles.